Welcome, in front of me I have Zepp Z, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from your Android phone. First we need to open the Zepp application on our phone. In the app we need to tap on the profile icon right here. Select the Zepp Z from the list of devices. On this page, scroll down, tap on the Unpair button, then tap on the Unpair button again, and tap on the Unpair button once again. After a second or two, the device will disappear from the list of devices, as you can see, and also the watch will reset itself to the factory default settings. And that's how you unpair this watch from your Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.